rides.
Wow. Okay.
Outdoor entertainment business.
Yeah. How do you feel like that related to the hip pain that you're having?
I don't know if that did. Farming more than anything else created the hip issue.
Yeah, kind of the...
Growing up on the farm.
Yep.
We were a dairy farm and we milked cows. So I was up and down all the time. Baled a lot of hay.
Yep.
Jumping on and off the hay rack did a lot of damage.
At least you can recognize it. So same thing, checking into the hip capsule itself, right through here, using a long lever approach to pull the Achilles, posterior chain all the way through.
What I haven't figured out is why the left hip is the one that's bothering, and not both of them.
Yeah, so that's just a stress pattern. So we can feel it through the Achilles here. The left Achilles is tighter as well. So that just means everything up this chain is undergoing more stress than this side. So whether it be just from a compensation pattern of, you know, weakness.
Yep.
Good. Left side up. Because it's the right hip capsule, right? The right hip itself, or the left hip?
The left hip is
left hip. Drop that hip. Good. Good. Other side. And you've been getting adjusted before, right?
Yes. I've been going to went to an osteopathic person in Fort Dodge when I was in high school.
Yep. Drop that bottom leg. Drop that bottom leg. There we go. Good. On your back.
I threw my back out throwing meals into a barn.
I would have too.
When I was in high school and had problems with it ever since.
All right. Go and push on up this way. Awesome, Raleigh. All right.